Have you ever put on a pair of headphones and said, wow, I can hear the music? Well, that's what is in this bag. This is what I suggest that you get. And I can't be happier with them. I bought them to plug into my keyboard, my piano keyboard, to play so I could hear what was going on and nobody else could hear me. But I also use them to plug into my laptop when I'm podcasting. Okay, but if you're a DJ or otherwise a creator, you can also flip one of these out of the way. These are 90 degrees movable, and you'll see that it says left and right on here, left and right, so you know which ear. So actually I had them on the wrong side this way, but you do have to plug them in. These are the connections, so you could plug this into your phone or to your laptop, or as I did into my piano keyboard. And you can also share. There's a shared audio port, so if you want to be able to share them with a friend, you can do that. But these are so comfortable. It's a soft padded earpiece, and the headband is easily adjustable, so you can easily get them on. I think I've got them the right side around this time. And then you can wear them all day or all night or however long you need to wear them. They're very, very comfortable. They work with everything, as I mentioned, laptops, keyboards, mixers. But I want to tell you about the customer service. One of my clients bought this. He had a loose connection. The company has a 24-hour response, and they replaced his headphones immediately. So you know that the company stands behind its products, and they are very, very sincere about making sure that you have what you want. So if I were going to get a pair again, this is immediately what I would get. It's going to make your sounds live. It's going to make your mixes sound clean, and your wallet is going to be happy. So press the button below and get yours.